Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. And I think you have realized it already. If you long press here the power button, we wake up Bixby with. But how to power off the tablet? For that you will need next to the power button also the one down button. Long press these both buttons together and then you will have the power off menu. Just tap here on power off again, confirm it again, and the tablet will shut down. There's another way to power off the tablet. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have also here the symbol for the power off menu. So just tap there, confirm power off, and again on power off, and the tablet will turn off. But there's a way to set up the power button here, or the side button as Samsung have renamed it, as a real power button. Let me show you how this works. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down here on the left side to the point Advanced Features. Now on the right side we will have the point Side button. And now you can choose what should happen if you press and hold this side button. Actually we are waking up Bixby with, but we want to have in the future the power menu. Just tap here. And that means whenever we long press now the power button, we will have the power menu. Just confirm power off and again on power off, and the tablet will shut down. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or yeah, you can subscribe me as well if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.